Is the plaintiff ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. May we make appearances for the record?
Please.
My name is Jillian Fisher, and I will be giving the opening statement for the plaintiff. To my left is Mr. T.C. Sample.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Sample.
And to my far left is Miss Maisha Ishmael.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Miss Ishmael.
She will be giving the closing argument for the plaintiff.
Okay.
Together we represent Dr. Elizabeth Ginger.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Dr. Ginger.
Now, before we begin, we have a few documents to tender to the bench for your reference throughout today's trial.
Yep.
Now, these include the complaint, the stipulations, the order on omnibus motions, the jury verdict form, as well as the Midlands Rules of Evidence and applicable case law. May I approach opposing counsel on the bench in turn?
I will take the case law, rules of evidence, and that's it for now. If there's anything else that comes up, I trust that you will bring my attention to it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Same goes for you guys. Thank you.
The plaintiff also moves to invoke Rule 615, which is the constructive sequestration of all witnesses, except for our party representative, Dr. Elizabeth Ginger.
Any objection to that motion or the designation of Ms. Ginger as the party representative?
Your Honor, the defense has no objections. We designate our party representative to be the defendant, Ms. Max Heisman.
Sounds good.
And lastly, Your Honor, what is your preference when it comes to moving about the well? Would you like us to ask before approaching opposing counsel, the witness, and the bench?
In general, we're in a fancy courtroom, so let's be fancy and ask permission for everything.
Yes, Your Honor. The plaintiff is ready to proceed.
Okay, is the defense ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Permission to make appearances?
Please.
Good morning. My name is Eileen Plumhouse, and I, along with my co-counsel, Kimberly Kalin,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
and Dustin Vandenberg,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
will be representing the defendant in today's case, Ms. Max Heisman.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Madam Mayor?
Now, before we begin, I have just one matter that I'd like to draw the court's attention to Special Instruction 11. If you'd like, I can give this copy to you since you don't have it in front of you.
Sure, if you're going to be representing it.
Yes, permission to approach, just for this one pre-trial matter.
Yep.
I'd like to draw your attention to Special Instruction 11, which I'll paraphrase. It simply states that in lieu of a recall election or a new election, the plaintiff is asking that their representative, Elizabeth Ginger, be named mayor, and neither side may advocate or seek for a new election during the course of today's trial.
Okay, Ms. Fisher?
Yes,
Is
Your
that
Honor.
your understanding of that special instruction?
Yes, it is.
So both parties are on the same page as far as what we're here today for?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sounds good. Anything else from the defense?
The defense is ready to proceed, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Fisher, the floor is yours. But I apologize in advance if I butcher any names. I'm horrible with names, even though they're written in front of me. Please don't take it personal if I mess it up.
Jillian Fisher for the plaintiff.